Hello everyone, PS from PS Invest Plays here today. Today I'm going to speak about Nvidia stock and provide my price prediction for Nvidia by the end of 2021. A mutual fund, if you had invested $500 every month for the last 6 years, has doubled your money. Also, I'm going to provide stock market price prediction by the end of 2021. So stick around. I think you will like what I have in store for you today. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. This helps me grow the channel, helps me bring out this content out to my YouTube family on a regular basis. With that said, let's get started. Nvidia stock, ticker symbol NVDA. The reasons for recommending Nvidia are, recently Nvidia did an acquisition of ARM. Now, Nvidia's AI computing capabilities with the vast ecosystem of ARM's CPU can advance computing from the cloud, smartphones, PCs, self-driving cars, and robotics to edge Internet of Things and expand AI computing to every corner of the globe. Apple is moving away from Intel and using ARM-based chips, which is a very big catalyst for Nvidia. These chips offer better performance, smaller footprint than Intel chips by combining the main processor, which is a CPU, and GPU, which is the graphics, on a single silicon. This should result in increased adoption by Apple, which means a stronger relationship with Apple for Nvidia and sustained growth for Nvidia. Now, Nvidia has 4 revenue streams. Number 1 is gaming, which contributes 51% to the revenue for Nvidia. It is growing at 11% per year. Data center, which currently contributes 27% to Nvidia's revenue, is growing at 53%. I think in the next decade, this will be the biggest growth contributor and catalyst for Nvidia. Next is the GPU for workstations used for media, entertainment, the regular work streams. It contributes 11% to Nvidia's revenue stream and is growing at 13% annually. I think with the acquisition of ARM, this will become the second biggest growth contributor to Nvidia's revenue and earnings. The fourth is automotive. This is the smallest contributor to Nvidia's revenue at 6%, but it is growing at 13% annually. Currently, the chips produced by Nvidia are used in infotainment systems, but Nvidia is making a big push to work with automakers to provide full hardware and software stack for autonomous driving. I think this will be the third biggest contributor to Nvidia. Looking at the earnings, in 2020, Nvidia has beaten analyst expectations every quarter, considering how difficult of a year 2020 was. Now, what analysts are predicting for the end of 2020 for Nvidia is 68%, which I think is on the lower side. With extremely good sales for Apple products, which use ARM-based CPUs, I think you can expect 72% earnings growth for 2020. Similarly, for 2021, analysts are expecting 21% increase to earnings for Nvidia, which I think is on the lower side. I expect Nvidia's earnings to grow by 39% when compared to 2020. With that said, my price prediction for Nvidia by the end of 2021 is $715, which is 37% upside potential. Moving on to mutual fund corner. The mutual fund in focus today is T. Rowe Price Communications and Technology Fund Investor Class, ticker symbol PRMTX. When looking at a mutual fund, I look at what would be my returns if I do dollar cost averaging. Does this mutual fund offer consistent return and growth? Has it had any reverse splits? Is it technology focused? What is my risk versus reward ratio? What has been the performance of this mutual fund in the past, so I can gauge if I can expect good returns in the future? I should have at least 3 years of data to analyze. And what kind of dividend does a mutual fund offer? This mutual fund offers excellent dividend, which is in December 2020, they gave a dividend of $9.55. Now, if you had invested $37,500 in total, which is $500 every month for the last 6 years or approximately 75 months, today the value of that investment would be $83,013, which is a profit of $45,513. So you're looking at a profit percent of 221. Now, hypothetically, if you don't put any new money in this mutual fund and let this 37,500 ride for the next 20 years, this money would grow onto $533,769. Isn't that amazing? Moving on to my price prediction for the stock market by the end of 2021. I expect a pullback of 10 to 15%. When there is a pullback, consider that as a buying opportunity. Buy low, sell high. Congress and Fed are adding too much liquidity and support to the market. Fed is buying approximately $80 billion of bonds every month. Fed has promised to keep interest rates low until the end of 2023. I expect at least one more stimulus package by the end of 2021. With the vaccine distribution and office retail shops reopening, I expect S&P 500 to close at 4,450 points by the end of 2021, which is approximately 20% increase from today's closing. My advice is keep investing. Keep some cash, at least 10% of your portfolio on the sidelines for pullbacks, so you can pounce and buy more. Well, that's it for today. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. This helps me grow the channel and bring out this content to my YouTube family on a regular basis. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.